Have you ever tried to protect your data and your Excel worksheet using protect feature in Excel, and then after set a password with a few days you figured out that you forgot the password? It just happened to me. I just set a password for this worksheet, trying to prevent anyone else to update the data I'm working on, but unfortunately I forgot the password. I know that there is some websites and some applications do that, but sometimes it's sensitive data. You will not be able to trust any third-party application or website. And now I'm not able to update anything because the worksheet is protected. So each time I'm trying to update anything, I got this error message. For sure I can copy this table into a new worksheet, but I'm still cannot copy this pivot chart and I have to create it from scratch. But in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to solve that, or in another word, how to hack your own Excel file. Just stay tuned. Before we start, and as usual, let me tell you that the file we will be working on for this video is linked below in the description. You can download it and try it along with me step by step. Let's stop wasting our time and jump into work. As we mentioned before, this is a protected worksheet. We are not able to update anything in it or copy the entire data including the chart in it. Also, I have another dataset here. It's not protected so I can update it, but I have to repeat everything again to get this layout. And in order to break the password for this worksheet, we need to do some simple steps. Let's try it together. This is the folder that including the work file in. Before anything, we need to be at the safe side and copy or have a copy of this work file as a backup. And then we need to change the file format from being XLSX to be zip. But at this situation, we don't have the extension displayed here. So we need to go to View and then Show, then make sure that file name extension is enabled. Now we have the extension file or the file extension displayed here. So let's change this file extension from being XLSX to be zip. Once you changed it, it will display a warning message for you that you are trying to change the type format. Then you will click yes. You need to have some application on your computer, on your laptop that allowing you to display the zip files. In my situation, I'm using 7-zip. So all what you need is to open this zip file and then go to Excel folder, then worksheets. You will see that you have the two worksheets that included in your Excel file. Let's have a look, for example, on sheet 1. It's scary, I know, but we will make it more easier to understand. We don't have to understand everything on it. All we need to do is to press Ctrl F from our keyboard and trying to find protect. If you notice that it's already a protection on this worksheet, let's try the other one, the sheet number 2, which is including the dataset. And if we try to press from our keyboard Ctrl F and trying to search or find the protect word, it's not included in this code. Why is that? Because the other sheet is not protected. So the worksheet which is protected is sheet number 1. But we are not able to change anything at this view. But you can copy this file outside the zip folder, right click on it, open with, and choose Notepad. As you can see here, the same code is already displayed here, but we need to move to the line that including the protect word. So let's press Ctrl F from our keyboard and type protect. Let's press enter. Now we move to the sheet protection. This is the line we need to update or modify. We can zoom in order to read carefully. Before we edit or update anything at this file, we need to be very careful because any wrong move can corrupt your file. That's why we had a copy of the file before we start updating anything. As you can see, the code here is starting with this bracket. So we need to delete this line very carefully. So we will move the selection till we can reach the closing bracket. Let's see. Okay, here we are. As you can see here, this is the closing bracket, this is the opening bracket, and this is the closing one. Make sure that you are selecting the correct or the right line of code, and then from your keyboard press delete. Now don't do anything else except Ctrl S to save it. Now close the notepad, navigate again to the zip file and delete the old one. So let's delete sheet 1 from here and replace it with this new one. Click yes to copy to, then let's close the 7-zip file, and then we will reverse the first step back. So we need to change this zip file to be XLSX. Press enter and confirm the change. Let's try to open our Excel file again and see if there is any changes happened. It's opening. Now the file is opened. If we try to update anything here like that, it worked. Now you can type and modify anything. You can change your slicer, or you can move your entire chart into any other place you need. Just remember, before doing anything, you need to have a copy just to avoid the file corruption. It's a very simple and easy way to get the control back for your Excel file if you forgot the password that you used before to protect your worksheet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe for more Excel tutorials that save your time and boost your skills. Finally, remember that the file we used in this video is linked below in the description. You can download it and try it by yourself step by step with the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.